Welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we're gonna cover how to create and call your subroutine. A subroutine is useful to help you make a cleaner and more modularized code, and even make the code more readable. So in this example, I have a couple move and wait points. This one is moving and making the robot move in a circle, so I'll just say it's drawing a circle. This one is drawing a square, and this part is drawing a triangle. I feel like my code is a little bit messy, so I want to create a couple subprograms to help me organize my code. I'll name my subprogram as what it's doing. So let's just say circle and square and triangle. Okay, and I can just cut and paste my code that I have. Since I already renamed it, I know exactly what this subprogram is doing, and I can collapse them. So you can see that the code becomes a little bit cleaner and then really legible. You can know each subprogram is doing. And then once you need the code again, you can go back to your main loop. You can call your subroutine. So you can select any of the subroutine that you have in this file. Notice that we have an open for bot file. So right now I don't have other files, so you can see. I cannot show you an example. But what this does is that you can also open any save file that you have in your folder, and then you can use it in this programming. So I can save this. Yeah, another useful thing about creating a subprogram is that once you create this, you can save them individually and separately as an individual file. So I'll just save all three. And then let's say in future uses, I want to draw a circle again, I want to draw a square. I don't need to create this code again. I can simply just call, and I can open from file. So let's say today I want to draw another square, and go in, and I can use this code again. And one useful thing about making these subprogram is that if you're calling the subprogram, you see that we're referencing to the subprogram file in our folder. You can keep the subprogram file updated with this program. So let's say today you want to make a permanent change to your robot code, and then you have this save file in it, and then you're using it while you have this idea of changing it. Then you can simply turn this on, and then you can, for this square example, I can change the size length of the square, and then maybe to 400 or 500, if 500 doesn't exceed the robot's arm reach. And then once you press save, this all the updates that you have performed, since you turn this on, it will also update the original save file. And that's pretty useful in some scenarios. And that's it. We have just covered how to create a subprogram and then call the subprogram, and also some useful and interesting feature of the subprogram. Thank you for watching.